Testosterone 1 2. My name not Tyrone 1 2. We back lit. All right, yo, technical difficulties. Like I said, figuring everything out. We getting everything cracking. You feel me? Huh? Yeah, let them come in. They about to roll in right now. Let's get this Nasdaq popping because we gotta make moves, baby. You feel me? So boom, we already talked. Actually, we already spoke about Nasdaq. So we on SPX 500. SPX. They didn't hear me on that. Got you. We run back. We will run this young Nasdaq back. Yo, could we get the Could we get the big screen? Could we get the share? Could we get the share? I'm gonna go ahead and sit down. Yo, kill. Could we get the close up? You feel me? Yeah. Now we about to. Yeah. See, at first we understand, but we understand. We good. We good. Say less. Say less. All right, y'all. Let's get it. So, as we look at the Nasdaq 100. All right, let me go ahead and clear everything up. I know the last stream was a little bit choppy. My bad. You know what I'm saying? We're working through Kings. First time we did this, I wasn't able to get the music. This time we got the music, but then I got slow connection. So yeah, just it was trying to stream out of this computer. So it is what it is. We figured it out. But check it. What I was saying was what we had last week, right? We had some pressure to the downside in this young Nas pack. All right, we have some pressure to the downside, and I needed to clear that up just so you guys can see that the zone that we are in is a resistance area and slash a supply zone. All right. So I already had this marked up from last week. You guys were with me last week when we marked this thing up. All right. So what we're going to do is just check out this young resistance area. And how do we know this thing is resistance? Look how many candlestick bars are at the top. I mean, not candlestick bar, candlestick wicks are at the top. Look, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bouncing against this little zone. If we look to the left, we'll have more in this area. So usually the more in sort of that type of area is going to be equivalent to the resistance or a supply zone. All right. So there's a few different words for it. However you guys like to look at the market. To me personally, don't matter. I see shit tapping in one area. I already know, hey, this is a resistance, and that's what it's gonna be. And I just wait for it to, drop to the other side, just like shoots and ladders. The market is really simple. People get mad and say, oh well, shit. They'd be like, oh well, you'd be like, oh, the market is easy. I mean, the simplicity of it, yeah, it is, but it's all about how you look at it. If you start to make things hard because that's your viewpoint, then that's what it's gonna be. You get what I mean? So let's get it. Oh yeah, we can go back to the NASPAC. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and use this, mark this up real quick. Boom, boom. Oh, she over there having fun. Yeah. No, but it's good. Shout out Nini over there. You know what I'm saying? She got the angles popping right now. Let's get it. All right, so you see all this action top side right here. We seem like the Bears is gonna go ahead and claw their way down, but I don't feel like we're gonna get too far down, right? I feel like before we start getting a lot of big buys, we might come down to about this 11.9, maybe even the 11.7 area, just to get some nice buys. Feel this area right here, this zone right here. Feel me? But like once we get down here, we get some consolidation popping. We might be able to get some buys back cracking to the top side. Now, if we don't get this play, and obviously for me, I really don't want to start buying until shit. That's like 11.9. Obviously, I have to come in and scalp. So, what's this? 11. I mean, 12.4, 12. Okay, so I'll probably just try to jump in around like 12.4. I'm a scalper, so around like 12.4, 12.47, somewhere around there. I'll be looking for buyer's bullish pressure. You feel me? But as of right now, I do expect the market to go ahead and drop downside just because when we did check DXY, which is dollar index, we started to see, immense pressure to the top side. So all we're going to do really is just check out DXY, see that pressure to the top side and just, go ahead and fade the market like that. You dig? Let's get it. Now we're about to go ahead and slide to that XPX5, baby. Soon I'm gonna have all the songs, smacking on point. So everything gonna play with the shit. So when US 30 come, doom, 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 run that shit, doom, 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 run that shit. Nasdaq, 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 XPX5, XPX5 slide when the banks ride. Like, so everything gonna kind of be in, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, we getting there. We about to bring that shit, nigga. Fuck you mean? We going up on this Forex, nigga. What's up? All right, so check it. We still got price doing what? Chilling in the resistance. You know what it is. XPX5 sitting top side was really good. What's really good? What's really hood? Yeah, feel me. We gonna have to turn this shit up, man. It's that Westside Financials. We going up. We going up. Straight up. So as we got what SPX sitting at the top side, we already talked about US 30 and we already spoke about NASDAQ. Now let me tell you something about those three in particular. Now US 30 is moving towards the downside, right? let me tell you, if US 30 is moving towards the downside, then usually NASDAQ and SPX are going to follow. So when we did look at 30, did you see some sort of similarities? When we did look at NASDAQ, did you see some sort of similarities? You feel me? So here we are on SPX with the same type of market structure at the top. We're getting ready to fade this shit. Now we do have a pin bar here, some sort of doji right here. Now that's not saying that dollar index gets some nice pressure and price keeps falling. What we do see also is we can't say that, oh, price isn't trending up. Yeah, it's at this resistance zone right here, but technically it's still in an uptrend. You feel me? We're looking at a daily chart, so that current is strong. That's just saying, hey, the man, since what is this? Since January, basically since the beginning of the year, the market has been having a good year. At this point in time, yeah, we're getting a slight pullback. Okay, slight little pullback for SPY. It's kind of already retested. If we get any more drop or any more retest, I feel like it's about to drop down about another 100 points. That's going to leave us somewhere around this 3992 area, about right here. All right, forget that pullback. So I'm expecting a nice pullback. I always usually do. That's just what it is, especially with trends and things like that. Like nothing really, goes topside forever, and nothing really remains bearish forever without some sort of clawback or some sort of bullish pressure or some sort of reversal. You feel me? So when we're trading these things, you can already see the reversal kind of forming at the top. So you can't be like, oh, I don't see the reversal, when it's pretty much obvious that the market's reversing at this point in time. We're just understanding what Japanese candlesticks. You feel me? And let's slide. We're about to run through GBP. Hey, what's the time? Give me time check fully. Ooh. Yeah, we about to turn up. About to turn up. Boom. So, all right. Last week we spoke about the dollar pushing top side. You feel me? I mean, yeah, we did. We spoke about the dollar pushing top side. This week we see we got a little bit of pullback, right? Boom. It's the bearish pressure. So basically on DXY, I'm gonna go ahead and split the screens so y'all see, and then I'll stand up too so y'all can you feel me? Give me the joint like that. That's a correlation right there, Euro USD and that. But before we even get on that correlation, let's go ahead and pull up that young DXY. Feel me? All right, there we go right there. So I just want you guys to see the inverse. So when we're trading, I'm talking about inversions and stuff. I don't want you to be, confused about what I'm talking about. All right. Both of the things that we're looking at are on daily charts. So this is every single day. Every candlestick that you see is a daily candle. That means that's every day. You feel me? So crawling this corner real quick. All right. So we got DXY. Now I know it's showing some sort of bullish pressure to the top side. We did have two or three different bullish pushes. I do feel like price is just going to continue. That's basically just interest rates going up. You feel me? That's all it's saying. That's the dollar getting a little bit stronger. You feel me? Especially with this new year, I do feel like the dollar will remain to get a little bit stronger. All right, so that could potentially mean some pullbacks in the stock market, but we got this new AI shit. It's not necessarily new, but tech is going crazy right now. So it's a lot of new immersive things happening, and who knows where the market is going to go throughout the year. Who knows if the dollar is going to get on course with with the actual stock market, and then it starts to coincide right by each other. You feel me? But as of right now, you see dollar pushing up, right? And then you got pound dollar over here, which is basically like a football team or a basketball team, shit, moving to the downside. You know what I mean? So when one team has the ball, then they're gonna have the momentum. You feel me? And if the other one, let's say they get hit and it's like a fumble or something, then obviously the chart will change. You feel me? But we're gonna keep that shit simple, like a pimple. You feel me? All right. So if we get dollar pressure this week, then DXY should go down. I do see this pin bar chilling right here. So I do feel like GBP USD is going to end up pushing downside. I feel like dollar is just going to go ahead and crack this and just fill. We get that fill, then we're getting fills on both sides. Now, when I spoke about correlations, we talked about dollar pound. You feel me? Correlating with things like New Zealand dollar, US dollar, New Zealand, US dollar, Euro USD, and things like that. So we're going to pull up Euro USD, literally look at the correlations, and that's knock out like 3 or 4 pairs real quick. Then we about to get out of here this bitch because I want y'all to go enjoy y'all Sundays because I'm about to go enjoy mine. Hey, roll up a fat one for me too. Let's get it. You feel me? Some of that nice pack. Player. All right. See that Euro USD still pulling downside. So we're just gonna remain on course with what it is. You feel me? I thought it was gonna pull up even more to get a nicer pull. You feel me? But it didn't necessarily pull up as high as I thought for that retest. You feel me? But we got a slight little retest. But you see the dollar pushing north, and you see Euro USD pulling down. You see GBP USD pushing down. New Zealand dollar USD gonna do the same thing. And then I'm gonna let y'all call one out, and then we about to get up on one out of this joint. You feel me? Come back next week. We're gonna get this bitch popping. Right, same shit, same vibes. You feel me? Here's the retest. That retest didn't come Friday. Friday, that's this candlestick. This is Thursday. So boom. Actually, it was fucking perfect. Perfect retest. You feel me? I don't even fuck with these charts after I touch them. You feel me? But that's what it is. Perfect retest. So now it seems like we're gonna end up pushing to the downside. We got DXY pushing top side, dollar going, you know it is. So what we're looking for Kiwi dollar is just for the price to just break to about the right now we're at 63096. This is about 100 pips to the downside. So you know what I'm saying? Even on a one lighter, you're gonna make you about $1,000. That's turning 100 into 1,000. You feel me? So y'all figure out how to go ahead and manage that. Throw some risk management on that bitch and run it up. Everything is pushing downside of dollar push top side. Go check news, go check data. You know, if I am who I am, if y'all see what y'all see, then you know, read the market and run that bitch up. You feel me? So what else? What was the other one? I said I was gonna take one from there. Oh, we gotta do yeah. Let's let them run one and then y'all enjoy y'all Super Bowl. Gold on God. I seen that. I was about to creep over there next. Yeah, feel me? The popper. Gold and we out of this joint. Shit, let's go check gold. When we checking everything against dollar, same thing. This is where we said gold was gonna pull up last week. Just pull back a little bit. Same type of vibe. Hey, we get some dollar strength. I feel like gold. The next run of buys could either be at 18.25. That's about $40 difference. Now let me tell you about gold. Gold usually runs about $10-$30 a day. So sometimes I wake up in the morning, gold is up $30. Now it could keep pushing, but usually at like 6:30 when that bitch go ahead and pull back, you feel me? Like I said, it goes ahead and pull back. So it could be up $30, but most of the time it's gonna retest. It'll drop down about 5. It might drop down about 7, but that's 70 pips. You feel me? So that should be up for grabs. Quick little 70 pipper in like what 15 minutes, and you make you some bands and you get up out of there. You feel me? So let's get it. But that's gold. I do feel like gold gonna end up, you know, we got all these dojis. This shit, look how many times it got rejected. 1, 2, 3, 4. Price just can't seem to break this basically 1889 area, 1890 area. It's not trying to break, as y'all can see. You feel me? So we about to run it up. But yeah, let's wrap this bitch though. You feel me? Get the headshot on here so we can go ahead and you know tell them to go cop that book. You know what I mean? And we're gonna get back cracking. Get the Forex on Sundays back lit. You know what I'm saying? But look, you already know. Go get that trade or die. You feel me? Shit, it been selling out everywhere. I rock with y'all, I vibe with y'all. You feel me? But make sure you get you a copy. You feel me? Get you a copy because this shit right here gonna get you unlimited sloppy. I'm telling you, get you a copy, you gonna get unlimited sloppy. Straight up. Next thing I'm lying. All right. But shit, hey, look, Forks on Sundays. And I'm about to get you already know up out of here, man. Y'all stay up. It's your boy Ty. We in this bitch gone. Salute. All right, and great, beautiful.